welcome to the Teenier Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed doll and craft related content. I have an unboxing of an artist doll. So I like to, sometimes if I really like the doll, I like to do like pre-order or spot swaps with other artists. It's my favorite way, or one of my favorite ways to grow my collection and to like experience new artist dolls. And support other artists and like all that kind of stuff. Like it's just, I just love doing it. So I had traded oh my god, what sculpt did they get? During my stock sale. I forget what sculpt they wanted. It might be CL. It might be. But I had traded the doll for a Peachydaydreams Neena. Now, there weren't very many, I believe the pre-order did not hit the minimum, which is like my least favorite thing to hear ever, but she had a home casted head and body that she was able to send me. I think the body is 3D printed, but I was just super excited about it anyways. Like so I actually cut open the top already. Please excuse that. I was just opening Christmas craft exchange things. Those videos, at least one of them maybe, should be up already, so if you want to check that out. But I mistakenly grabbed this as a Christmas craft exchange, but it's not. It's Peachydaydreams. So like, as soon as I got to this point, I of course was like, oh. So yeah, the box, just like a white craft box. It says Peachydaydreams on the top. It's a really pretty peach. I need some of these like clear sealing stickers. But yeah. Okay. And then there's also a stamp. Right there. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. She says, like you can see. Like, it's like the little orange like leaves and stuff. It's a peach, sorry. But how cute is that? Okay, so we have the inability to show you things because this box is so big. I see a pack of stickers. So she does stickers, and I got a pack from her at Dolls North / Anime North, and they were really cute. And then these are no exception. They're moths. I love moths. And then I have Peachydaydreams Certificate of Authenticity, Neena, color white, signature Liza Otis. Very cute. Oh. There's like it's like a pencil case, but we have, oh, that's cute. It's like extra feet, I think. Like heel feet, looks like. And then there's some fist hands. Is this focusing? Can you focus, please? That's some fist hands. It's probably because it's white. Like, it's white too. Also amazing that she got 3D prints to be like so white. Like, what is your resin? And then she sent a pair of 14mm eyes. Oh, there's something else in here too. How cute to send them in like a case like that. It looks like some kind of neck, like a neck connector. Oh, there's more stuff. Oh my god. It's like an endless. And then we have some kind of like open hands. But like, yeah, her 3D print resin is like stark white. Because a lot of times when you cure white resin, it yellows to some degree, especially for like bigger pieces. Like with eyes, it's not so bad because you don't have to cure them for like super long. So the surface resin doesn't necessarily turn super yellow. But with like big doll pieces, like you have to cure them longer, obviously, but. Like, this is so unique and cute. I really like the ribbon as well. I will use it for craft projects because I always do. It's funny though because like I have a resin printer. I'm surrounded by resin, but when you open new resin, it's like I immediately smell it. Like, I don't know how I'm not nose blind to resin. Okay, so let's pull off these so we can start with her little feet. She has really cute little feet. and like her knees. So her knees have like slightly squarish, but it's actually quite nice, and it keeps the like the edges pretty thick. Like it's nice engineering. Ooh, listen to that click. Nice. I think part of the jointing being like a little bit square helps it do that maybe, but like click into place like that. It's really nice though. Okay. And the little feet. She's very like, I think it might be the white, but it's giving like reminding me of Doll Zone. Not at all that it's Doll Zone. That's not at all what I'm saying. I'm just saying like, I think it's the white resin because every Doll Zone doll I've had has been like white. Oh my gosh. I think also like the little ankles and like the slender feet. She's got hip balls, which I love. I love hips like this, where they're like, they can scrunch. I love a good scrunch. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What a cute little doll. Oh my god, okay. Oh, that's an interesting hand mechanism. I've never seen that before. Okay, so the hand mech, the elbows aren't square like, see, like the elbows aren't squared like the knees, so they don't make that click noise, but they're still really nice little peanuts. Look at this hand mech. Oh, they're paddle hands. I'm so dumb. Okay, I'm sorry. Like I'm having a moment. They're paddle hands, so she can get dressed. Oh my god. I was thinking it was like it clicked into the hand somehow, and I'm like, they're so long. How does this work? It's been, I don't know. I don't even have an excuse. I just had a moment. Okay, and then she's got like a 3-part torso like this, which is quite pretty. She has a really nice shape too, and I like how this second piece of her torso, like it's like the rib piece. It's really nice. It looks like she gets a pretty decent amount of slouch too, and like the little round of her belly and the hip bone is very pretty. Another nice thing about her being white, like white 3D printed resin, is 3D printed resin will chalk or get lines, and if you get lighter colors, like especially like white, you're like not gonna notice it. Like it's gonna be like it doesn't even matter. I know white dolls aren't for everybody, but I thought I could do some really cool kind of like pastel type blushing on her in another video, not today, but yeah. And then her arms, yeah, pretty standard, like goes to about there. She'll obviously be able to touch her face with her paddle hands and not her insane wrist mechanism like I. Okay, and then her head. She's really cute. Okay, so this is what the head looks like. Let me sit her, maybe. Should we sit her? Can you see? Ooh, she's like really, she's like, let me lean. Okay, girl. There, we'll sit you like this. And then you guys can come down a notch. Here we go. So this is Neena, and she is super cute. She has a really cute little profile. It says Neena inside her head cap. Her ears are nice and thick, which is nice. I like the way her head looks on her neck. Like, I like how dainty this looks. She looks down really well, too. Like, look at that. Very nice. Her, yeah, she's giving, like, pixie. Do you know what I mean? Like, she's very much looking like a pixie. Yeah, I think she looks really cute with, like, big hair. But yeah, it's just a quick unboxing. I'm not painting her or styling her today. She will be a fun little project for me on a, like, rainy day sometime soon. She's whiter than this paper. That's amazing. But yeah, Thanks for tuning in. I know it's like it's either a holiday or like super close to a holiday. So if you're watching, thanks so much for watching and subscribing and liking and all those other things. And I hope you have a fantastic holiday.